everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another video. I am sorry I'm close to the TV as in and here rasa, but you all will be okay. I'm vlogging. It's a Saturday. It's 2:30. I decided to only vlog now. I don't have a reason. Don't ask me why, since I will not answer you. Right now I think I'm hungry. I'm going to make food and I'm going to take you guys along. I'm wearing my gown. I showered. As you can see, my skin clearly looks like something has been done to it. So I did shower. I just wear my gown because I have nowhere to go. And wow, I mean, okay. So yeah. Sorry about that. We are going to make my breakfast right now. I drank, I think, 750 ml of water, and like I'm hoping to get through a liter before I actually start eating. Or I'll just drink another cup of that same glass. Then I know it's like 1 liter something. But other than that, if you are new to my channel, hey, what's up? I'm Salome Laka and I'm a YouTuber, and if you're a return subscriber, you definitely know what time it is. Anyways, let's get right into the video. Nothing hectic, just a lockdown vlog. Y'all know the deal. I have nothing to do. I have nothing to show you. That is the thing. But I'm still out here with my camera on. Like, okay, let's go make food. Yeah, let's just go make food. I'm making the everyday meal. I've been really taking a break from like let me pause it. My gown is so dirty. I am embarrassed. I can't show you guys. Okay, so I've been really taking a break from eating smoothies because I don't know, it just got so much because I used to eat it. I used to make smoothies every morning, but now I'm taking a break from that and I actually have breakfast late or whatever. So we're gonna make breakfast and yeah.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go claim the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devils peeking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you with infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now, true numb. Crying getting old, hope you freed your soul, I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the drum blows, yeah. It's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so.
So when I bought these things, I didn't notice that they were actually like rotten. Not rotten, but like spoiled. Like more. So mom said I should not take it back to Spa and I should just like cut them off, like maybe here. Just cut the front part off because the rest of the corn is okay.
Drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gon' be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gon' be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, too numb. Crying getting old, hope you free your soul, I might have caught the.
Let me put you guys on the cupboard. Okay, so I do not have a plan for
June blues, yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Drum blows, yeah, I got the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the drum blows, yeah. It's just the drum blows, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside